Okay, so it looks like you said no to the offer I just made to you on the last page. Now, we don't actually have a lot of time to figure out why you said no. Maybe you didn't quite realize what potential it has, in which case I'll let you read the sales page one more time. But here's what I can do for you. Instead of asking you to pay the entire fee up front, I'm happy to give you a $1 14-day trial. So you can try this out for yourself. You can see all the different capabilities that you can unlock, and then you can decide. So click on the button below, because you still have an opportunity to unlock this license for just $1. Just go ahead and do that right now. I'll wait.